your friend say obi ti say Napo. Me say sanka easy for ye mra. Say obi ato aba say obetimi no kraman betimi ato aba. Oto ana kraman ato. Napo cannot even convince or no ankasa na kraman to vote for NPP. I'm telling you. He cannot. And when we say these things, people think it's a fact. Because he cannot even convince his own dog to vote for the NPP or himself. Because he's so arrogant, full of himself, he doesn't know how to talk. And he wanted to impose this guy on us as a vice president. Jamamufi say, yeah, Jimmy. Ghana no nyamudi. I'm telling you, that the young people of this country own this country. They control this country.
Yes,
they are well educated. They understand what is happening. You see, no, it's true, Captain.
Send a message from
oh, can no be anti. What kind? Oh, can no be anti. Oh, can no be anti. Can no be anti.
That's how betimi akan.
Can the kind was what bro for can no be anti.
Crash ya all the wa kan wa de.
Me who cry.
Also, Jamie, where from this guy? His words are 2 points loss.
The point being come. Say what about Kraman to be a. Na point being conversation on Kraman on top.
Captain, you need to get serious. And now, actually, say level I could do here no. They didn't respect anybody. So me, I'm gonna say MPP Council of Elders na clear no. There was a time I was asking, say Council of the Elders no. I am crying penny for because sometimes you wonder.
What's the Council of Elders?
I am crying so we am penny for no me Council of Elders because how can any person on his right senses will conclude say, oh Napo you? I can't get it because you see, Baumia may have his own weaknesses. The reason why we appoint vice president is you may have weaknesses because the Jane bit me here, Muhammad to me. Because you bring people from different angles so that they complement you to make you a whole. That is the whole essence of vice president. But if I often as a vice president, no problem at the no honor. And such a win him that Ghana for
every day.
Kasa. He doesn't know how to talk. He doesn't respect. Or not necessarily your friend is saying, they don't deserve to come anywhere close to where governance is being undertaken. These are the people we are talking about.